Welcome to the EcoNet web portal training series. Today, we'll be provisioning a command center through the EcoNet mobile app. The first step is to activate your command center and turn on the Wi-Fi module. On the top right, you might see no icon or a grayed out icon with a slash. If there's no icon, simply hold the top right for 5 seconds to activate the Wi-Fi module. For us, our Wi-Fi module is activated but not connected. So we'll tap it and proceed through the Wi-Fi setup. The Wi-Fi module is being activated. While you're doing that, go to the EcoNet app on your mobile device and click Add Product. First, we'll be using the QR code method to connect. Scroll down and click the QR code icon, continue, and point it at the command center. It'll ask if you want to join the Wi-Fi module on the EcoNet command center device. Connect to the local Wi-Fi connection. After connecting to your local Wi-Fi connection, the command center should show that setup is complete and you've been connected to the Wi-Fi. And on your mobile app, everything should be good to go. Next, we'll be showing you the alternate method for connecting the command center. To do so, click Add Product and scroll down until you locate the command center icon. Click that and follow through the steps. Make sure that your command center shows ready to connect. Here you can see that we have the command center stored. It should remember it if you've connected to it before, but I'm going to click Other. This scans for local devices. It's identified the Wi-Fi module on the command center, and we're connecting. After connecting to your local Wi-Fi connection, the command center should show that setup is complete and you've been connected to the Wi-Fi. And on your mobile app, everything should be good to go.